Hemorrhoids. They're painful, irritating, uncomfortable. Worst of all, they're disruptive to your life. So what are hemorrhoids? They're really just cushions of tissue in the lower rectum. The problem occurs when they loosen and push into the anal canal, causing swelling, itching, pain, even bleeding. Hemorrhoids can occur for a number of reasons, including constipation, low-fiber diets, pregnancy, sedentary lifestyles, and heavy lifting. If you have them, you're not alone. In fact, 50% of the population will suffer from hemorrhoids by age 50. As far as getting rid of them, you've tried the basic remedies, but they're just not working. For many, the pain and downtime associated with surgery is a last resort. But now, there's another option. The CRH O'Regan system, the fast, painless, proven non-surgical hemorrhoid treatment that's covered by most insurance plans. So how does it work? Our procedure is simple and straightforward, only takes about a minute to perform, and allows you to return to work the same day. There's no preparation, no fasting, no sedation, and no pain. The CRH O'Regan system is also proven effective. That's why over 300,000 procedures have already been performed. It's simply a matter of placing a small rubber band around the base of the hemorrhoid, causing it to shrink and fall off. You probably won't even notice when it does. If you suffer from hemorrhoids, relief is here. Trust the CRH O'Regan system. We're ready to help you get back to living life without hemorrhoids. Contact our practice today to schedule an appointment.